Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar where we're learning how to make a do-it-yourself CPR mannequin. In the US, there are more than 350,000 out-of-hospital cardiac arrests each year. Cardiac arrest is when someone's heart stops beating as it should. While many of these cases occur in a home where there is unlikely to be a healthcare provider, CPR performed by a bystander can double or even triple the chance of the victim surviving. That's why it's important to learn and practice CPR. A do-it-yourself CPR mannequin is a great solution to being able to practice CPR from your home. Let's learn how to make your own do-it-yourself CPR mannequin with items you might already have laying around your home. What you're going to need is a t-shirt, a 2-liter plastic bottle, 3 rubber bands, and some type of filler such as newspaper, paper, or plastic bags. To create the CPR mannequin, you're first going to ensure the 2-liter bottle is completely empty with its cap screwed on tight. Take your t-shirt and tie a rubber band around each of the 2 arms and the bottom of the shirt, as seen in the picture. Insert the 2-liter bottle into the shirt in the center of where a person's chest would be on their breastbone. You can see the placement in the image, but you want to make sure the bottle is actually inside the shirt. Then you want to take the filler and insert it into the shirt around the bottle, ensuring that the bottle stays aligned down the front center of the shirt where the breastbone would be. Now you're ready to practice CPR. Chest compressions are the most important component of CPR. Performing chest compressions helps to support heart function when the heart is not beating as it should. A CPR provider is physically pumping the victim's blood throughout the body, helping to delay tissue death and brain damage. In order to perform chest compressions, place your hand in the center of the chest on the middle of the breastbone. Push down into the chest, compressing at a depth of at least 1/3 the chest. Let the chest rise back up before pressing back down. Perform these compressions at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Perform 30 compressions in this manner before administering 2 rescue breaths. Don't forget, we offer online CPR certification on our site. We encourage you to become certified as soon as possible, whether that be on your own time with an online course or in a classroom setting. You can find a link in the description to our CPR course that is completely online. So thank you so much for tuning into today's webinar. We're excited to have you save lives with us.